Guys, by the way, honestly, yesterday Riggy G was in Githurai 44, or 44 or 45. And there, I know nyi wote umeona hizo clip walikuwa na ongelesha watu huko. Riggy G was very bitter, using the word one term na matusi yote. Oh, Ruto ni mwizi, oh, Ruto ni muuaji. Hatujakataa, Ruto hajatufanyia vile tuna expect kama wa Kenya. But swali langu ni je, huyu Riggy G anaposema Ruto must go, kila akienda Ruto must go, sisi wananchi hatutaki Ruto must go kama strategy. Lazima tuambie yeye akiingia ama hiyo timu yake kiingia watatufanyia nini? Like, what's their plan to people, to this generation, the coming generation? Si one term, kila kitu one term. No. Riggy G and the team, the opposition and everybody eyeing for the top seat, kindly, we need a strategy, not a one term strategy. Yes, tunataka Ruto out, maybe he hasn't been a good president, yeah, right? But what's the strategy? What do you have on store for us? Not one term. Utakuja kuniomba kura nipigie kura because tutoe Ruto. Yes, tumemtoa then. What do you have for us as you incoming? So kindly, watu wangu, election is nearing. Take a vote. Chukua kura yako, then choose a leader mwenye ataokoa hii